Today we're with Wendy Silfies, who is a project manager for Alvin H. Butts Inc. Wendy has been working with Butts for 18 years. She holds a BA from Muhlenberg College and an MBA from DeSales University. Wendy is also certified in healthcare construction and a USBG LEED accredited professional. Wendy, what are some of your favorite projects you've worked on with Butts?
Well, I've done a lot of healthcare projects, and I have to say one of my favorite projects was the Geisinger Lewistown project. We renovated the ED, we renovated the imaging department. It had a lot of phases because we had to keep the units that we were working on up and running, so it had over 15 phases. It was like a giant puzzle, like you had to move people like chess pieces, and that's what I like in a project, a big challenge.
Wonderful. Can you describe one of your typical work days?
My work days really vary, and that's one thing I like about being a project manager in construction is some days I'm working on pre-construction, doing some estimating, talking with the owners about developing a budget. Other days when a project is in the works, I am in the field, walking through the construction, checking on the details, answering questions. So it's really varied, and that's what I like about it. You know, you're in the office sometimes, in the field sometimes, and it's every day is different.
Very exciting. What's one thing that you wish you knew before you started working in construction?
I think that I would have liked to know more about engineering. I always wanted to know more about how HVAC works, how plumbing works, electrical. I think if I could go back, I would probably take a little more education in those subjects, just so, I could apply them today better.
What advice do you have for women who aspire to a career in construction?
The best advice I can give you is, a lot of women think that you're not going to be taken seriously, and sometimes it happens, but a lot of times you got to give them the benefit of the doubt. If you prove to them that you know what you're doing, everybody will eventually take you seriously and want to work with you. You got to put in the work. You got to go the extra mile, and that makes for a successful project anyway. So that's
Great.
The advice I give.
Anything else that you'd like to say about Women in Construction Week?
I'm glad that they're doing it. That's definitely a positive. Women in Construction Week. I never heard of that before, but I think we need more women in construction. We have the organization skills and the communication skills, down to make for successful projects. And I know that it's intimidating to women to be in construction, but I think if you put the time in and you really learn it, it's an exciting career. It is.
Well, great. Thank you for your time and for the advice. Be sure to check back tomorrow for more lessons from other featured women who work for the Butts family of companies. Thank you.